Let's look at this question. A can contains a solution of two liquids A and B in the ratio of 7:5. When 9 liters of the solution is drawn off from the solution and the can is filled with B, the proportion of A and B becomes 7:9. How many liters of liquid A was there in the can initially? Okay, pay attention to this. Previously, it was a multiple of 12. Later, it is a multiple of 16. Okay, and in both these cases, what is happening is uh, liquid A remains 7 units, but liquid B has changed from 5 units to 9 units. Okay, so can I say 7 by 12 and 0? Liquid A was 7 by 12. After having 9 liters drawn off, you're left with some quantity. 7 by 12 is the purity of A, and when B is getting added, purity of A there is 0, leads you to a purity of 7 by 16. This is too difficult to manage, so what we do is we make the base 48 everywhere, so you get 28, 21 and 0. So the gap here is 7 and the gap here is 21. So these two are getting mixed in the ratio 3:1. Now this 3:1 should give you an indication. Whatever was left behind was 3 units and whatever is getting added is 1 unit, which means the original solution was 4 units, and this 1 unit that is getting added has been given to me as 9 liters. So 3 units should be 27 liters, or the original solution should be 36 liters. Original solution should be 36 liters, of which A and B are in the ratio 7:5. So A will be 21, B will be 15. Finally, they've asked me how many liters of liquid A was present in the can initially. The answer will be 21.